Okay. Awesome. I'll read question 3. Which hypothesis involves equality? The null hypothesis, the alternate hypothesis, or the true hypothesis?
The
I have
null.
the null.
I have the null.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay, I'll read question 4. Remember that the p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. When computing the p-value, which hypothesis do you assume to be true? I have the null.
I have the null.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Okay.
Okay, I'll read number 5. Use the null suppose the null hypothesis is H, and I can't remember what that symbol means, as the mean 10. Use this information to answer the next questions. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis in a two-tailed test? So I have the HA, the mean does not equal 10.
That's
Same.
Yep.
I don't know if that's the third one down for everybody, but that's mine.
Yeah, third one down.
Okay.
All right, number 6. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a left-tailed test? And I have the first one.
Same.
Yep, me too.
Yep. Is it back to me? Okay. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a right-tailed test? The opposite of the last one. That's the second one.
The second one. Yep.
That's what I've got.
Okay. So I'll read this one, but I'm not sure about this one. So, which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis?
P-value is greater than A.
That's what I've got.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's the first one.
The first
Yeah.
Yep.
So number 9 is which relationship would result in rejecting the null hypothesis? And I put p-value is less than A.
That's what I have.
So the second one.
That's what I have too.
All right.
Yep. Makes sense.
All right. An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this one. Use this information for the next two questions. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? And I have the average claim amount is greater than $1,500.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I've got.
Yes, that's what I have.
Okay. Which of the following would be the appropriate null hypothesis? And I have the first one. It's equal to 1,500.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what I've got.
Is it me? Okay. The insurance company randomly selects n equals 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of 16 or x or whatever this symbol, I can't remember what the name of it is, 16 equals 1650. Use this information to answer the 3 questions below. The next 3 questions. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption?
A good assumption.
Yeah, I put it was a good one because the sample size is large enough.
That's what I've got.
Okay.
So question 13 is which theorem or law justifies your answer to the previous question? And I did the central limit theorem.
Yep.
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 Woo.
Is that me?
Yep.
Mhm.
Which of the following is the test statistic as defined in this lesson?
So
X bar? Or is it Z?
I have Z.
Oh, right, because it's the
The statistic.
yeah,
Is
Right.
that right?
the Z score.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I was like, I did it because of the Z score.
Okay. The historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is $150 with a standard deviation of $40. The store manager suspects that the average has decreased. She sets up a hypothesis test with these hypotheses. The mean is equal to 150 or the mean is less than 150.
Mhm.
She will use a level of significance. Alpha is equal to 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes the sample mean to be 144. What is the Z-score associated with this test? And I haven't done any of the math for this
I
yet,
haven't
so
done this yet. So
I haven't done it yet either. That's what I was working on right when the call started. So
let's do this. Okay. So the mean is 150. Square root of 36.
I think I did it wrong. I got negative 39.
I got negative 5.4.
I got -0 or negative -0.89999995.
Me too. That's what I got. Did I do something wrong?
Okay.
Let me do it again.
Okay, so
Isn't it 144 minus 150 over 40, which is the standard deviation, divided by the square root of 36?
right, the
That's what I did.
square root of 36 is 6, right?
Yes. So
Yeah.
4 divided by 6.
Yeah.
Which
So it's
gives
-6 divided by 6.667.
Yeah, that's what I did. And it's negative 0.8.
Yeah, I lost something somewhere. I lost a number because I'm getting what you're. I think I'm getting what you're getting now. But give me just a second.
Okay.
I messed up.
Yay, Emily.
Yeah.
I said,
Oh.
"Yay, Emily."
Okay, you got negative 0.9.
Yeah, pretty much.
Yeah, if you round.
But you have to round to 3 decimal places, so it's negative 8. Not, I guess, 9. Well, yeah, 90. Right? Yeah.
Okay, it's still. I still did it wrong somewhere then, because mine came out even negative 0.9. Let me try one more time.
I mean, it pretty much is, so it's fine.
Yeah.
Do you do 899 or do you do 9? How do you round to 3 decimal points on that?
So you have to round it up to 0.900.
Okay.
That's what I would do. So it's negative 0.900, right? Because it's
Yeah.
99.5.
Thank you. I totally forgot the negative in my answer.
Okay. My phone that I'm using my calculator on must be rounding it.
It probably is rounding it up. Yeah. So it's
Yeah, it might be.
All
I've done it 3 times.
9.
Yeah, so it's negative 0.900.
Okay.
Okay.
So is it me?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay. What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question?
So I haven't done this either.
So that you just put the z-score into the probability applet,
Right.
and then
And then left-tailed.
left-tailed.
Yeah, left-tailed. So I got
Greater
184.
Hold on.
184.
Yes.
Sorry.
Yeah,
I think
0.184.
Yeah.
0.184.
184. Yeah. 0.184. Yes.
Okay.
Okay, Lily.
Yeah, what interference would you... Sorry, I was reading it to myself. You guys can hear that? What interference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
Fail to reject.
Yeah, I was going to say, would it be fail to reject?
Yes, because it is greater than 0.0 or 0.05.
Yes. Okay. Got it.
Okay.
For explaining that. All right.
Is that me?
Yep.
What is your conclusion for this problem? We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150. We have sufficient evidence.
Isn't it the first one?
Hang on. Yes.
So why?
Oh, wait.
Why is
Wait.
that?
Because
Sorry, failed to reject.
we have the insufficient evidence to reject.
Yeah.
So that the true population mean is 150.
Wait. So number
18.
Sorry. Yeah, 18. But so if
it's the first one.
the first one,
I
because
believe.
didn't we fail to reject the null hypothesis? So we
it's
believe that the null
true.
hypothesis is true.
Yeah, that's why
So it should be the
Third one, right? Oh wait, we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
The second one, yeah.
yeah. Okay.
Okay. I mean, I don't know. That's just what I was assuming, but I could be wrong.
Sorry, I'm just looking back through all of the questions and the numbers, and okay, yeah, I think I agree with number 2. We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
Yeah,
Yeah, I feel good about that.
word problems. I don't like them. Just give me numbers.
Either. I'm with you. They're always tricky. All right.
Okay.
I don't know whose turn it is.
I
My
think
turn?
it's me. Oh,
Oh,
I don't know. Go for it, Emily.
there are 2 types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test, which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true. And I have put type 1.
Yeah, that's what I have.
Yes.
Okay.
Is that me?
Yeah.
Okay, a researcher cited that instead of using a level of significance alpha equals 0.05, he uses whatever a equals 0.01, which of the following will be true?
Oh, wait.
The probability of type 1 error will increase.
Yeah, it's going from
Yeah.
Wait,
Uh,
no, the other way around.
I thought it was type 2.
Type 2 will increase because there's less of a chance of getting lower than alpha.
Yeah.
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 Okay.
Okay. Last one. If alpha is equal to 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error. Round to 2 decimal places.
So I'm not sure on how to do this. Can someone explain that?
So
Sorry, I'm not sure either, so I'm just going back and looking through.
Yeah, I'm looking through the chapter reading to see if I see anything, but
sorry. Okay, so in the reading it says we choose alpha to be some small number so that the probability of committing a type 1 error is low. The most common value for alpha is 0.05.
yes.
This is equal to 1 in 20 chance. So our question, so the probability is 0.05, right? That's the
Yes.
probability of committing a type 1 error. What do you guys think?
Okay, wait, sorry.
I'm not sure I understand this very well, so I can go through it more later,
No, it's totally fine.
But we can go with that for now.
Yeah.
Sorry, what
I mean,
what was your answer to that?
0.5.
So
And in the reading it says, sorry, 0.05.
Okay.
So it's equal to the significance.
Okay.
Because the significance is the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, I saw.
I throw
reading
as well too.
So I just didn't hear what you said the answer was going to be. So, yeah, I agree with that.
Okay. I'll try it. I'm kind of scared on this one because I don't know that I understand it all.
Yeah, me neither. So let's see how it goes.
We got number 18 wrong. Sorry.
So 18.
But that's it. All the rest are right.
Oh, that's good. So that one is, what is your conclusion for this problem?
So I put number 2. We have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is 150.
So the question asked is,
So we failed to reject the null hypothesis.
the average has decreased. We have insufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Yeah, that's got to be what it is.
Yeah,
Great.
that's what I was thinking could be.
All right. I'll select that one and submit and see what happens. That is correct.
Okay.
So that was the
We
third
have-
one, right?
Sorry, we have sufficient evidence that the true population mean is less than 150.
Right.
Yeah.
So the third selection.
Okay. Let's see. All right. Yay, good job, guys.
Yeah.
Wait, question 20.
Did you get it?
Should have been
The
select.
probability that type 2 error will increase.
I did type 1.
Oh, okay.
That's my fault.
That's what initially was said, but then we changed it to type 2.
Okay.
Okay.
So,
Awesome.
yeah. So Rob is on Monday.
Yep. Me on Monday.
All right.
Okay.
Have a good weekend,
Thanks, everyone.
everyone.
You too.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.